Model 900B. Creates a top tube for non-conventional frames. Internal spring keeps your bikes secure. No assembly required. Plastic-coated hooks protect bicycle's finish. Lifetime on workmanship and materials. Allen's warranty does not cover items purchased through third-party sellers. Fits bikes with a distance of 18 into 27 in between seat post and stem. Max capacity, 35 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Makes life easier. My expensive e-bike suddenly quit working and had to be taken back to the dealer. Getting it into the old-style bike rack on the truck hitch was a nightmare. Had to put it on upside down, couldn't stabilize the front wheel, and ended up scratching the frame. Ordered this top tube adapter and it came in time to go pick up the repaired bike. What a difference. Installed in moments and made it so much easier to load and transport the bike. I don't understand why the one end isn't covered in vinyl. The pin and yoke could scratch the handlebars. But I simply wrapped some cushioning around the handlebar stem area before putting the adapter on and that protected it. I am a little concerned about the longevity of the spring inside the tube. If it wears out quickly I'll come back and update the review. My e-bike weighed almost 50 pounds and I've read some reviews that the tube adapter couldn't handle the weight. This seemed to be heavy duty enough to take the weight, but I took the precaution of running a strap through the frame of the bike and up over the top of the rack. This not only meant the adapter didn't have to support the full weight of the bike, but also that if the seat tube or the handlebar stem wasn't tight enough and loosened while traveling, the bike would remain in place and not fall to the road. With that simple precaution in place, it was a carefree trip to get the bike back home.